Hey guys, for those who are new to my channel, this is Liliana from Sugarella Sweets. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to make 3 different Lightning McQueen gift bags. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. So this is how I made these gift bags. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, simply subscribe to my channel for free. Thanks for watching and see you next week.